Hi, I'm Joe Kim Pevenito. I'm a CNC tool grinder at LMT Onsrud, and I've been here for about 3 years now. I started college as a mechanical engineering student at CLC. From there, after a year, I realized that doing an office job wasn't necessarily what I wanted to do. So I kind of was looking towards like machine tool trades, CNC programs, and the College of Lake County actually offered me an apprenticeship program with LMT. I did an interview, we got to tour the place, and it felt something like more I really wanted to do. Right away, I got hands-on experience here, and then after hours, I was picking up formal education at school. And after 3 years, I finally achieved my associates in applied science, and now I confidently can say that I think I'm a master machinist, in my opinion. I've learned a lot. This program is great because now I have a formal education and now I have the experience to work in any shop. Learning the fundamentals here on the job really helped out, and the apprenticeship program really helped me get my foot in the door, because in a lot of places they require experience, and you can't get experience until you've gotten your first job. So I think this apprenticeship program is the best way to really get your foot in the door and test the water to see if this is something you even want to do, and you could definitely make a career out of it.